Hi there, how are you? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host 2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to import a Shopify theme. First, let's access our Shopify dashboard. Simply log into your account. Once in, go to the left sidebar and click Online Store. The themes page opens. Importing a theme is easy. You need the theme file on your computer. Paid or free, your choice. Just have the files ready. On the right, click Import Theme, then Upload Zip File. The upload page opens. Max file size is 50 MB. Here we'll click the Add File button. This opens the file manager. We'll navigate to the folder with our theme. Select the theme file and click Open. File selected. Now click Upload File. It'll upload and import our theme. After a few minutes, the theme is imported. Now my theme is here. The file name looks odd. It's the zip name. Click the three dots to rename the file. Hit Rename and choose your preferred name. I'll rename it to the theme name and save. The file has been successfully imported. If you'd like, you can publish this theme to make it available in the store now. You can click to customize it in your account. Just click on Customize to get started. The product page will open where you can personalize your theme. Your theme might look slightly different, but you can customize it fully here. After customizing, you can click Publish when you're done. It'll ask if you want to publish. Click Yes. The theme you imported is now published and ready to go. You've successfully imported the theme from your computer to your Shopify store. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.